for us. Today in this video I have a special guest and she's from all the way from Australia and her name is Sasha.
Hey.
She's my cousin. For this we need tart bases. You can buy it from the store ready-made, or if you know how to make it, you can make it at home. Then we need some cabbage, we need some sprouts, we need some pomegranate, and some apple and chocolate chips. You can choose the type of fruit which you want to have with it.
I'm not excited for the cabbages. You can make a layered tart by adding different things in layers. I'm just gonna... And lots of chocolate chips. And I don't like vegetables, so I'm not gonna add any.
Mix the ingredients and then put them in the tarts. Like, you take some sprouts and you put it in here. Okay, and take as much as you want. You take some pomegranate. And you take some apple. Take some cabbage. And I wouldn't want to spoil the flavor of this, so I'll put this in the last. And after you're done, you just like mix them. You take a tart and then you put it in there like that. And after you're done, you take as much chocolate chip you want. I'm gonna take a lot of chocolate chip. And that's it. So you can make it in different ways with different toppings. So like you can do it with caramel, chocolate, strawberry syrup. So I'm gonna make one with strawberry syrup to show you how does it go. So first you put some sprouts in there. After you're done with the sprouts, you put some of the apple and put some pomegranate. And after you're done with that, you put the syrup. So I'll just put this here and then I will open it and I'll top it. That's it. And that's how it goes. I would like to thank Miss Aditi Roy for sending these bases for my tarts.
The different varieties we made. We hope you try them at home and enjoy them.
Holiday season coming up and a lot of guests are going to come at your home. So this is a simple and easy recipe to make. Happy holidays! These are really yummy and please like and subscribe to my channel and comment down below.
Yeah, subscribe to this channel.